PI Network just dropped a bombshell announcement while sitting at the most critical support level we've seen in months. We're talking about potential 150% gains if this support holds, and I'm about to show you exactly why this could be the reversal every PI holder has been waiting for. Make sure to watch this video entirely until the end, because this could change everything for PI Network holders. Welcome back to Gold Rush Crypto Daily. I'm Goldrush, and you're in for an absolutely massive high-energy breakdown today. We've got two explosive stories that are painting an incredible picture for PI Network right now. First, we're diving deep into the technical analysis that's showing potential seller exhaustion at crucial support levels. And then we're breaking down the game-changing TransFi integration that just went live. Let's start with this fascinating article from AMB Crypto that's got my technical analysis radar going absolutely crazy right now. According to this piece, PI Network has been through an absolute roller coaster ride, after exploding by 190% back in May. And let me tell you, that was absolutely insane to watch. We've seen persistent profit-taking over the past 2 months. This resulted in a 75% fall from $1.67 all the way down to 40 cents on the charts. Now here's where things get absolutely fascinating, and this is why I'm so bullish right now. As you can see in this article, that 40-cent price level isn't just any random number. It's doubled as a key support level that has historically triggered reversals. We saw it ease the dumps back in April and June, and now we're testing it again. The big question everyone's asking is, will it hold this time and allow a reversal in August? Let me break down what the technicals are telling us right now. On the daily charts, the supertrend signal is still showing a firm sell rating for PI. Now, this sell signal has remained unchanged for the past 2 months, which might sound bearish at first. But here's the kicker, and this is absolutely crucial. The RSI is sitting close to the oversold zone, which is hinting at potential seller exhaustion. Mark my words, when you see RSI approaching oversold levels while sitting at historical support, that's when smart money starts paying attention. Both of these technical indicators exploded higher during that May bull run, so a positive pivot here could suggest a likely reversal of this downtrend. Let's talk numbers, because this is where it gets absolutely massive. The immediate recovery targets are sitting at 67 cents or $1. That's the 50% Fibonacci level. We're talking about potential 60% or 150% gains if we hit those targets. Can you imagine? 150% from these levels would be absolutely parabolic. But here's the reality check we need to address. Losing that 40-cent support would completely dent the possibility of recovery and embolden the bears to drag this altcoin down to 9 cents. That's why this level is so absolutely critical right now. Now, I've got to be honest with you about the market sentiment, because transparency is everything in this space. The market vibe has been pretty off lately. PI's social volume and market interest across social networks has been on a downtrend since May. We saw a failed attempt to break that downtrend in mid-July, but it didn't spark a strong enough rally for the token. Additionally, the weighted market sentiment has been mostly negative over the past 2 months. Look at this data here. The derivative markets are also showing muted interest with low funding rates and declining open interest. In fact, the altcoin's OI has dipped from nearly $17 million to below $12 million since late May. But here's why I'm still incredibly bullish despite these headwinds. Sometimes the best opportunities come when sentiment is at its lowest. We've got PI sitting at its $40 support level, the same level that triggered previous reversals, and we're seeing technical indicators that suggest seller exhaustion may be close. Now, let me blow your mind with this second piece of news that just dropped, and this could be an absolute game changer for PI Network's adoption. Let's take a look at this incredible article from Informational about PI Network officially integrating TransFi as a fiat on-ramp. This is huge, people. They're now allowing users to buy PI directly using traditional currency, completely removing the usual multi-step conversion process that's been a barrier for so many people. The announcement was made on July 31st, and it highlights PI Network's ongoing push to streamline crypto payments. Get this. TransFi supports over 40 global currencies and more than 250 payment methods. We're talking about users across 70-plus countries who can now access the token through familiar channels like bank transfers, credit cards, and regional e-wallets. This is absolutely massive for adoption. TransFi's integration follows the successful completion of Know Your Business verification by the PI core team. The payment platform also meets key international compliance standards. They hold ISO 27001 certification and EICPA SOC accreditation. That signals strong security and regulatory alignment, which is exactly what institutional players want to see. According to this article in Coinfomania, passing KYB approval was a crucial milestone that ensures TransFi can operate securely within PI Network's decentralized ecosystem. The certification allows the platform to serve users globally while maintaining robust anti-fraud and data protection measures. Here's what gets me absolutely excited about this development. PI Network's core mission has always been to make cryptocurrency more inclusive. With over 7.75 billion PI currently in circulation and a global user base, reducing friction in token purchases was the next logical step. By enabling direct fiat to PI conversion, TransFi brings convenience to both new and existing users. This update is particularly significant for users in emerging markets. Many crypto holders in these regions have been struggling with complex on-ramping processes. With TransFi, users can now enter the PI ecosystem using local payment systems, without needing to convert through stablecoins or third-party platforms. That's going to open the floodgates for new adoption. As you can see from the current market data, as of July 31st, PI trades at 41 cents with a 24-hour volume of $91.53 million. Its fully diluted valuation stands at $41.81 billion, reflecting serious investor interest. Despite recent volatility, PI remains a top 40 token by market cap. Let me connect these dots for you, because this is where the magic happens. We've got PI sitting at crucial technical support levels with signs of seller exhaustion, and we've got this massive adoption catalyst with TransFi integration going live. This could be the perfect storm for a reversal. Think about it. Easier access to PI tokens through fiat on-ramps means more potential buyers can enter the market without jumping through hoops. That increased accessibility, combined with technical indicators suggesting we're near a bottom, could create the buying pressure needed to break above those resistance levels. With this latest integration, PI Network continues to evolve as a user-first blockchain platform. The move also signals its readiness for broader real-world utility as it expands payment rails and token access for everyday users. This isn't just about price action. This is about building sustainable, long-term value through real-world adoption. Mark my words. When you combine technical analysis showing potential reversal signals with fundamental developments like mainstream fiat integration, that's when explosive moves can happen in this space. We could be looking at the beginning of PI's next major bull run. Now, I want to be absolutely clear here. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. But from a technical and fundamental perspective, PI Network is setting up some absolutely fascinating dynamics right now. If you found this analysis valuable, make sure to absolutely smash that like button. It helps the YouTube algorithm show this content to more crypto enthusiasts who need to see this information. Don't forget to subscribe to Gold Rush Crypto Daily and hit that notification bell so you never miss our daily market breakdowns. The crypto markets never sleep, and neither do we here at Gold Rush Crypto Daily. Until next time, keep stacking and keep believing in the future of decentralized finance. Remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and only invest what you can afford to lose. See you in the next one.